back to the first one because you lost me. Sorry. The first one, your wife wants to apply for her parents and for a kid?
She have a green card, she's not a citizen.
Okay. Can you apply for your parents? Yes, I would have to look at, you know what? I'd have to look at the requirements specifically. My inclination is, yes, she can apply for her parents, but it's not immediate. She's gonna have to wait. They're gonna have to wait till the visa's pending. It would be a lot quicker if they were a citizen, but
She have more than 14 here, 14 children, everybody's citizen.
she has 14 kids?
Yes.
I mean, your wife has 14 kids? Or?
She married American citizen.
Right.
She have a green card for 17 years.
Right.
And she has 14 children.
God bless.
Everybody is American citizen.
All right.
Okay, everybody attended college. So
Right.
she cannot.
So all 14 kids were born in the U.S.?
They all, no, they're not born here, they're born here. I bought everybody here. Only
Because what I'm understanding is why the kids not born here are American citizens, but the mom is not.
yeah, all the mom is not a citizen.
That's
So everyone is a citizen. She have 5 or 6 born here. But the rest one,
Okay.
they come in here.
And they came and
Yes.
refugees?
No, I'm American citizen. She's my wife. I don't want to sponsor all of them to come.
I understand.
So the total citizen before.
Why do they have citizenship and your wife does not? That's what I'm not
Or
understanding.
if they want to, they be citizen from my citizenship. She knows the citizen. She's a green card holder. So they say
The easiest solution is she files for citizenship first. That's number one. Then all the rest becomes, then she can do the rest, and the timelines become much less. If she files today, with the way the processing times are now, within 4 to 6 months, she'll have the interview and be a citizen. Anything else, it'll be years. It simply doesn't make sense. Apply for the citizenship first, do that, then apply for the parents and whomever else you want to apply, assuming that they qualify, meaning if it, yeah, that's just a matter of waiting.
Everyone is here except the Hamad and her father.
Okay. Well, she can bring her parents. That she can do. But the timeline that have to wait would be so high. You know, if she qualifies for citizenship, apply. Don't wait.
Okay, what about her husband? Or apply for her husband?
Okay. Now, she wants to apply for her daughter and her husband. Correct?
No.
For the daughter wants to apply for her husband.
Her husband, she already
Okay.
did.
And the daughter is lawful resident or green card or
She's a
citizen.
citizen. She's American citizen.
The moment the relationship is approved, the spouse comes in.
The husband wanted the visa to be.
Okay.
He couldn't get the visa to come.
What that tells me is they found him inadmissible for some reason. And I would need a lot more information to figure out what that is and maybe some conversation with the consulate there.
Okay.
They felt that he, whether it was prior trips to the United States, whether it's criminal background, whether it's participation in a political group that has no, I don't know what it is, but they said, look, this is the guy who's inadmissible for something. It might have been fraud, or maybe the suspicion of fraud. It doesn't always make sense. He may have gotten nervous and given an answer different than the spouse. It may have triggered a reaction, and it might take 6 months to resolve it. These things happen. So it requires a lot more. We'd have to look into it.
Time to wait.
No, it requires more information. What happened? How did it happen? What determination, if anything,
Well,
was
they
made?
never tell you anything. They say, okay, the document come back to the United States, so you have to wait until
They say that, and it's unfortunately it becomes a quagmire. Where's the document? So the vehicle is to do a freedom of information request and insist on providing the documents, and if necessary, threaten to file a lawsuit. That to have them present the documentation to determine what the decision was. It's not easy, but sometimes threatening a lawsuit sometimes actually gets them to move. But you should, for that situation, you should speak to an AILA attorney, American Immigration Lawyers Association. They tend to have more contacts with the consulates. I'm an alien attorney, but
Okay.
I'm a part of that organization because we have access that others don't always have. We have seminars with USCIS, Department of Homeland Security, Department of State. So we get to meet some of the people. I'm not saying that because I met them they're going to give me a better result, but sometimes just knowing who to ask makes a difference.
Okay, so do you require to see you privately?
Yeah, I would suggest that.
Okay.
Yeah. And bring all the documentation, the
Yes, I
application,
understand.
the process, everything that got them up to that point.
Okay.
And we'll see how we can take it to the next level.
Okay.